Are you over 40 and tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Or maybe you're looking to boost your income without sacrificing your time. Whether you're a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent, there are side hustles perfect for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share some of the best online side hustles that can help you earn extra cash, no matter your experience level. So, let's dive right in. One of the best side hustles for people over 40 is freelance consulting or coaching. If you've spent years honing skills in your career, such as marketing, finance, HR, or project management, you can turn that expertise into cash by offering one-on-one consulting sessions or online coaching. Platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and Fiverr are great places to get started. For example, a retired HR manager could offer resume reviews, interview coaching, or career advice to job seekers. If you're an experienced marketer, you could specialize in helping small businesses create their first digital marketing plan. Not only does this add value to your clients, but it also allows you to charge premium rates for your specific expertise. Remember, clients are willing to pay for years of experience, so don't undervalue your knowledge. Another fantastic side hustle for those over 40 is setting up a print-on-demand shop or selling handmade or vintage items on Etsy. If you have a knack for design, you can create custom t-shirts, mugs, or planners without needing to hold inventory. Companies like Printful and Teespring handle everything from printing to shipping. For example, a creative over 40 individual could design funny quotes or nostalgic designs that resonate with a similar age group, like retro 80s themes. For those who enjoy crafting, you can also create a niche Etsy store focusing on personalized gifts, jewelry, or home decor. Even if you're not a designer, you can hire freelancers on Fiverr to create your designs or source vintage items to resell. The key is to focus on trending products. Optimize your listings with keywords and market your store through social media. Virtual assistance is booming, and it's an ideal online side hustle if you have strong organizational skills. As a virtual assistant, you could be doing anything from managing emails and scheduling appointments to bookkeeping and social media management. The demand for virtual assistants is particularly high among small business owners and entrepreneurs who need help but don't want to hire full-time staff. For example, you could work with a real estate agent to manage their listings and client communications. Start by creating a professional profile on platforms like Upwork or Freelancer, showcasing your skills and past experiences. The great thing about this side hustle is that you can choose your hours and clients, making it perfect if you're juggling other responsibilities. So there you have it. These online side hustles are perfect for anyone over 40 looking to earn extra income while leveraging their skills and passions. Ready to take the first step? Click the link in the description below to check out our online courses and resources designed for beginners and people of all abilities. Start your side hustle journey today, and let's make your experience work for you. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.